Hi, I'm Kei. I live in Tokyo. I've been a mobile app developer for 10 years. Started from Swift and then 6 years in Flutter. I built a community called Flutter Daigaku and helped over 1,000 people launch their own apps. Now, with AI and what I call vibe coding, I'm focusing on helping you build apps you love and actually use every day. So recently, I built a real app inside ChatGPT, a real integration connected to my Firebase Firestore database. And it works. Let me show you. I type, use my Butango vocabulary saver to save the word toothpaste with user ID, blah blah blah, and note I'm brushing my teeth. And then ChatGPT responded like this. And when I tap confirm button, GPT said the word toothpaste has been successfully saved for user ID, blah, blah. With a note, I'm brushing my teeth. Then I checked Firestore and there it is. Actually, toothpaste and brushing my teeth saved on Firestore. And when I opened my Butango app, actually, the word I saved appeared instantly. That's the moment I realized this is real. But at this time, this is just a demo app. As you saw, I specified user ID of the account and then save the word. So this time I didn't implement any login to my app, but specified user ID and saved the database directory. But still, I was impressed. By the way, what are ChatGPT apps? OpenAI launched something called Apps in ChatGPT, a new way to build interactive tools inside ChatGPT. I'm not just prompt anymore. These are real apps that can connect to external services like Firebase, Notion, Supabase, or Stripe. You can even design buttons, inputs, and lists inside ChatGPT. And it works on both web and mobile. This feels like an App Store moment for AI. So again, what I built, I made a small app, Butango Vocabulary Saver. When a user learns a new English word, they can just tell ChatGPT, save this word to my Butango app. Behind the scenes, ChatGPT connects to a small server I built using Node.js, Express, and the Mobile Context Protocol SDK. It validates requests, then saves the word to the user's Firestore database. So basically, from ChatGPT to my MCP server to Firebase to Butango app. The point is, ChatGPT is now acting like a front-end layer. So by the way, how MCP works. MCP, the Model Context Protocol, is a new standard OpenAI uses for ChatGPT apps. It lets ChatGPT securely talk to servers using OAuth 2.0. Once connected, ChatGPT automatically discovers what tools my app provides. In this case, a single tool called save word. When the user asks save the word toothpaste, ChatGPT sends that to my server as a structured JSON request. The server validates it, saves it to Firestore, and returns a success message that ChatGPT displays naturally in the conversation. It's clean, reliable, and standardized. And the biggest thing, this changes how we think about app architecture. Your backend is still yours, but ChatGPT becomes the universal client. So what is the future of apps in ChatGPT? Imagine people just type and your app runs instantly. No installs, no onboarding, no waiting for approval. That's why many developers are calling this the new App Store moment. And for indie developers like us, this opens an entirely new distribution model. You can connect your ideas straight to where people already spend time inside ChatGPT. So yeah, I actually built an app inside ChatGPT and it's saving my words to my actual Firestore database. It's early stage, but this might be how apps work in the future. This time I just made the demo app, but I will keep trying coming up ideas for apps in ChatGPT and then like mobile app trying to develop and release to the store. If you want to learn how to build apps like this, from mobile apps to apps in ChatGPT, I share everything I learned in my developer newsletter. If you're interested in the information, please subscribe the newsletter in the below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel as well. Basically, I focus on mobile app development because I've been a mobile developer for 10 years, but I'm trying to develop not only mobile apps but also apps in ChatGPT and apps for other platforms as well. If you're interested in apps in somewhere, please search my YouTube channel and my newsletter as well. I'm gonna start my newsletter from this December, so stay tuned. So that's it today. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございました。